Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be talking about Physics 252 Week 1 Problem 1. In this problem, we are tasked with finding the speed that a log and bullet travel after they collide on a frozen lake. So, reading through this problem, we can go ahead and underline some of the givens, which I've already done. The bullet in this situation is going to be 40 grams. Converted to kilograms, this is 0.04 kilograms. And it has a horizontal velocity of 750 meters per second. And our log in this situation has a mass of 8 kilograms, and it is at rest. So I've gone ahead and drawn a little picture here to kind of describe what we're talking about. And based on this problem, you should be thinking of our lecture this week in which we talked about inelastic collisions. And our inelastic collisions are denoted by this equation here. This equation gives us the mass and velocity in relation to the initial mass and velocity of two objects, assuming that the masses combine. So in our picture here, we have our bullet and our givens, and we have our log right here sitting on the frozen lake. And then afterwards we have our new mass, and we have some velocity that we are trying to find. So going ahead and plugging some of our givens into our equation, as I've already done, I'm assuming that in this case, mass 1 and velocity 1 are referring to the bullet and its velocity. We can go ahead and start solving for VF here. So you can see our VF right here. So this equation works because the initial and the final velocities, or the initial momenta and the final momentum, are going to be equal. So the momenta are equal, and therefore we can solve for our final velocity. So going ahead and doing a little simplifying, we find out that the initial momentum is 30 kilograms per meter squared, and this is equal to our final mass multiplied by our final velocity. So then we can just go ahead and solve for our final velocity by dividing the two. This will cancel the kilograms and leave us with meters per second. So our final answer here is 3.73 meters per second. And this problem is relatively easy compared to a lot of other momentum problems. And considering that this equation is really all you need to solve this type of one-dimensional inelastic collision problem, there's not really much else to it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and thank you very much for watching.